techniques. So it's basically free motion. So the machine setup is really easy. Just feed dogs down and darning foot. And then what we'll start with actually writing. So everyone will be able to write on their quilts. They can make labels, and we can write secret messages in our quilts, which I've done here. You have to look really closely to come take some photos. But people are writing secret messages in their quilts to really personalise them. So we'd start with that because the free motion is actually a continuous line, and the continuous line that you're most familiar with is writing, because we've all been brought up with joined writing. And then we'll move on to drawing little pictures, like little houses. We draw animals, and then as the morning progresses, we'll add in some applique, so very, very simple things like this. So this would sort of run on from each other. We do little applique houses and free motion stitch into those. And then in the afternoon, people have access to all of the resources that I've brought with me. I draw things for people all the time. I'm always holding people's phones trying to draw their dog. And then they make their own piece in the afternoon.
Wow,
so
I
everybody So everybody has got my core techniques, and then they leave with, I mean, it's a small piece like this, but they leave with something that's unique to them. So one lady, she did every single house she's ever lived in and made it into a street.
Oh wow!
So like this is the house their parents had when she was born. This is where, you know, and then her current house. So it's really easy to personalise. It's fun, and the technique is very simple. It's really just a question of practicing it. So all morning is just practicing, and all you've got to do is move the fabric. But by asking you to draw a house or a rabbit, you kind of forget that you're just doing that motion all the time, because you're more focused on drawing a little rabbit and everything.